The top brass of the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISSA, is confident that the National Stadium Track will be ready in time for next month's staging of the Grace Kennedy ISSA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Ken Rayner reports.
Despite being kept in the dark by officials of the Sports Ministry and Independence Park Limited about the planned work to resurface the National Stadium Track, ISSA President Keith Wellington seems unperturbed about the one-month time frame ahead of the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships set to start on March 25.
I believe that based on what I have been told, and again, remember, I don't have any formal I haven't had any formal discussions with either the Ministry of Sports or IPL or the persons to do the work. But this is from what I've been able to gather. I think that there is enough time to do what they are proposing to do. And so even with maybe a little bit of a hiccup, we should be okay. And we are going ahead with all our plans for champs to start on the 25th of March.
Wellington is not even contemplating an alternative venue in case rain or any other issue delays the work on the track.
No plan B, and that may seem foolhardy to some persons, but I think that the investment that we have in champs is way too much for us to be considering or for anybody to put champs at risk.
The details as to the scope of the work, that is, what exactly will be done on the track, seems to be a state secret. And Wellington, while not certain about what World Athletic certification the resurfaced track will have, seems confident that times run on the track will be ratified by the global governing body.
What I know is that a part of the process will involve recertification by World Athletics, and therefore I am confident that based on what is being done, the right steps are being taken. What I've also been assured is that whatever work is done to the track will not hinder performances from champs or the Grand Slam being ratified by World Athletics. But whether or not it is going to be a level 1 or a level 2, I am not absolutely sure right now.
Last Thursday, Sports Minister Olivia Grange confirmed that Recordton has been contracted to install the new synthetic track at the National Stadium at a cost of $350,000 or approximately 55 million Jamaican dollars. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.